Mazda North American Operations today introduced the first ever 2024 Mazda CX-90. Built on Mazda's all-new large platform, the three-row crossover represents the company's new flagship vehicle with wider, longer, and more aggressive proportions that perfectly blend its high-performance appearance with world-class refinement. Mazda CX-90 is available with all-new electrified powertrains, including an inline 6-turbo and a plug-in hybrid that offers drivers enhanced performance and efficiency. CX-90 also features larger displays accompanied by physical buttons that complement the interior styling. New Mazda technologies, such as the available see-through view monitor, are meant to assist in a variety of parking situations through the 12.3-inch central display. Tell me in the comments how do you like the car and subscribe for more.